The issue started with the creation of OT region. And it so happened that Lolobi and Akpafu traditional areas never applied to be considered to join OT region. But somewhere along the line, we were forced to go and partake in the referendum, which Lolobi and Akpafu citizens boycotted to a large extent. On average, it was less than 5% of the people who partook in the referendum. So in respect of this, we realized that voting was going to be a problem. So on the 27th of November this year, we wrote to EC to seek clarification as to where we would be voting and our constituency and the parliamentary. As a follow-up, EC refused to even respond to our demands, but rather preferred to hold a press conference. And it is during that press conference that one of the commissioners responded that we'll be voting in our mother constituency.
Okay, so I mean, if I may ask, you currently are within which constituency, and why is it that you were not able to, vote essentially?
Yeah, to the best of our knowledge, we are part and parcel of Hohwe constituency. I'm saying that because there was a Supreme Court ruling on the 7th of July, which specifically says that CI 95 that created the Hohwe constituency must be amended to come in conformity with the CI 112. And that in the event that that was not amended, then the CI 95 is applicable till the 6th of January 2021. So by that implication, once the EC failed to amend the CI 95, I am not a lawyer, but my understanding, and I've consulted with legal brains, means that Lolobi and Akpafu are still part and parcel of Hohwe constituency.
So it happens that on election day, you were unable to vote within the Hohwe constituency as you would have wished, and you are now raising issue with that. So what are your calls, on the EC?
On the EC, we just want to remind them that we are in a constitutional era and the rule of law must be applied. And above all, the Constitution also says that anybody 18 years and above with sound mind must be allowed to vote. So we are just appealing to the EC, at least to ensure that the Constitution is preserved and maintained.
So by that, are you saying that 11 days or so after the general election, a separate election should be held for persons within the Lolobi and Akpafu areas?
Not separate election, but we were denying the participation in parliamentary. And then to come to that, even the same EC supervise the election and the nomination and election of the presidential candidates of all parties within Hohwe constituency. For that matter, Lolobi and Akpafu delegates also participated in that election. So we are at a loss as to why EC now will turn around and said, now you participate or you chose your parliamentary candidate, which we duly supervise. This time you should not go and this. So we are seeing that as a double stand. So all that we are saying is that, yes, we should be allowed to vote and our votes to be counted to the candidate that we actively selected. That is the Hohwe constituency.
So between now and 7th of January, you expect a voting exercise to be organized for your constituents?
Yes, the EC knows this, and this is exactly why we wrote to them, telling them that, yes, you have failed us because you assured us that we would vote in parliamentary in our mother constituency. And mother constituency, per the definition that was given, because we had never been part and parcel of Buem constituency. The last constituency we belonged to was in 1968. That was a Biakuye constituency. And since the inception of the 1992 constitution, we had voted in 6 parliamentary elections under Hohwe constituency. Yeah, so they themselves assured us that we were going to vote in our mother constituency. But they went back against their word.
If your calls are not heeded to by the Electoral Commission, what then will be the next line of action?
I think the committee will meet, and as me and you know that the law does not permit anybody to disenfranchise anyone. So all that we are saying that we must be given the chance to vote and uphold the rule of law and the Constitution of Ghana.